Today we see derivatives, meaning a derivative is a financial security with a value that is reliant upon or derived from an underlying asset or group of assets. Generally, it means an arrangement or product whose value derives from and is dependent on the value of an underlying asset. In financial term, it's a financial instrument which derives its value price from the underlying asset. It's a contract between two parties. Underlying corpus is first created, which can consist of one security or a combination of different securities. The value of the underlying asset is bound to change as the value of the underlying asset keep changing continuously. Underlying assets include stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, interest rate, and market indices. The next we see types of derivatives. There are four types of derivatives that can be traded in the Indian stock market. Each type of derivatives differ from the other and has different contract conditions, risk factors, etc. The first one, forward contract. Forward are the oldest of all the derivatives. A forward contract is an agreement between two parties, a buyer and a seller, to purchase or sell something at a later date at a price agreed upon today. It is traded over the counter market. Forward contract are the simplest form of derivatives that can available today, and they are the oldest form of derivatives. Is a customized contract between two parties where settlement takes place on a specific date in the future at today's predetermined agreed price, and they are not traded on exchange, rather traded in the over the counter market. And these contracts are not standardized, each one is being customized its own specification. The next one, future contract. Like a forward contract, a future contract is an agreement between two parties to buy or sell a specified quantity of an asset at a specified price and a specified time and place. A future is a standardized forward contract. It is traded on an organized exchange. It means that commits one party to buy an underlying financial instrument or commodity and one party to sell a financial instrument or commodity at a specific price at a future date. And these contracts are normally traded on an exchange which sets the certain standardized norms for trading in future contract. And futures are exchange traded contract or agreements to buy or sell a specified quantity of financial instrument or commodity in a designated future month at a price agreed upon by the seller and the buyer. The next one, option. Options are the most important group of derivative securities. Options are contracts that give the holder the right but not the obligation to buy or sell underlying assets. Options are two types, calls and puts. An option contract is an agreement between two parties to buy or sell the underlying assets, example stocks, shares, index, currencies and commodity, for which settlement is to be executed in future only when option is exercised by the holder of the option. The holder of the option means the person who acquires the right is known as the buyer option, while the other who confers the right is known as option seller. And it can be divided to calls and puts. Calls give the buyer the right but not the obligation to buy a given quantity of the underlying asset at a given price on or before a given future date. Puts give the buyer the right but not obligation to sell a given quantity of underlying asset at a price on or before a given date. The next one, swaps. Swaps are private agreement between two parties to exchange cash flow in the future. Most swaps are traded on future exchange market. There are two types, currencies and interest rates. This agreement various stamps like the dates when the cash flow are to be paid, the currencies in which to be paid and the mode of payment are determined and finalized by the parties. and these swaps are traded in over the counter market and some are also traded future exchange market. There are two types. The first one, currency. Currency swap entail swapping both principal and interest between the parties with the cash flows in one direction being in a different currency than those in the option direction. In interest rate swap, these involve swapping only the interest related cash flows between the parties in the same currencies.